is your Valentine and you're watching my Kids channel. So today we are going to make the homemade Fevicol. Many of you had asked me to make Fevicol because with Fevicol only we can make a slime. So for that today we will see how to make a Fevicol. So this is the first time that I am making a glue and trying like making with a slime. So this is the first time, so I don't know whether it will work or not. So let's see. So to make that slime we need, to make that glue we need some maida, that is the all-purpose flour, some sugar and a little bit of salt, and also we need some water. Wait, but where it is the water? Let me pump it from the hand pump. Finally, I got the water from the water pump. So these all are the things to make our glue, Fevicol. So let's make it. First, let's take one bowl and add some flour. I'm putting this much of flour. So now let's add some sugar and some salt. So now first we have to mix the dry ingredients. And now to this let's add the water. So I had to add a little bit of water and then let's mix it. It has become like a Fevicol. We have to mix it thoroughly without forming any of the lumps. So we have to mix it thoroughly without any lumps. Let's check the consistency. Wow, it is just like a Fevicol. So our homemade Fevicol is ready, I think. Let me put in my hand and check a little bit. Yes, it is sticky. So it has skin. Let us check with the paper and see whether it is sticking or not. So now let's check. Little bit. Wow, it is sticking. So let's keep it aside and see whether it is coming like a glue or not. Okay. You cannot store this glue for a long time because we had all-purpose flour and water. So that will cause fungus. So for that we can only use for one day. You can keep it in the fridge and keep it in the fridge for 1 week, I think. But don't do like that. I'm just saying, I don't know. Okay. So let's store it in a bottle. So I had already finished. In the last video, I had told that I will use for something. So I have to make one glue on the outside. So I'll add the glue in this. So let's pour it in the bottle. So now with the checking time, let's see that it is So let's see whether it is sticking or not. So now I'm having one color paper. Let me check with that also. So after some time it will stick very well, so I will keep it aside. So now our Fevicol is ready. So many of these slime channels say that this homemade glue will work for making slime. Let's see, but I don't believe that. So let's try and see. If it will come, I will believe, or else no. So now let's make it. This only I had made this glue. So let me add in that only. That one, then only it will not stick. Means waste. It will not waste. Okay, I will add this much. If you add water, it will come more. So to make a good slime, we will add some water. I think this much is okay. The consistency is like the same Fevicol only, but I don't know if the slime will come. So now let's add the activator and check. So this is the homemade activator. I had already uploaded this video. So if you want to see that link, I will send it in the description. So let's check. So I had add this much. No, it is not working at all. See? So I will not believe the slime channels and all now. I only believe in myself. See, my activator also waste, and the maida and all the ingredients also waste. So don't try this. It is not working. Don't try this in your home. But you can use this glue for making your craft activities. So I had said that it will check. See, it is sticking. See, now the glitter stone also stick well, and also the color paper. So you can only use this homemade glue for making crafts, not for slime. See, if we make a slime, it will come like this. See, waste.